Converting mixed numbers to top-heavy fractions. If you were looking at the subtracting fractions video, this was the other video that I mentioned that I'll do separately. I didn't want to confuse you too much. So a mixed number is something that looks like this. You've got a big number here, 1.5. Alright? When you see this, you can normally leave it, but sometimes you should convert them to top-heavy fractions, especially when you've got a question like this. 1.5 plus 2 3/4 equals. This is a mess, and before you do any adding of the fractions, you should convert them all to top heavies. So the quickest thing to do is you can do now let's look at this 1.5 first. So what you do is you see you've got the 2 there, put the 2 there. Every big number here, think 2. So you've got one lot of 2, and you add that 2 to the number above. 1 plus 2 is 3. Let's look at this one here, the 2, so that one, this one became that one. Now let's look at this one here. First we put the 4 there, put 4 in here. We have 2 lots of 4. 2 lots of 4, that's 2 times 4. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3 is 8, 9, 10, 11. So we now put 11 up here. Don't argue with this, you just do it. There we go, we've got our top heavy fractions. Number at the top bigger than the number at the bottom. Now you can proceed to add, or depending on the sum you're given, take away the fractions. So quick refresh, 2 times 4 is 8. Cross multiply, so 3 4s are 12. 2 times 11 is 22. We then write 8 in there. 12 plus 22 equals 34. Can we simplify? Yes, we can. We divide by 2. So that gets us 4 over 17. Sorry, 17 over 4. Apologies. Can we do any more with it? No, we can't. So we can reconvert it, which you should do, back to the mixed number, which for those who remember, you put a line, you put 4, and then first thing you do, 17 divided by 4 is, well, how many 4s go into 17? 3 4s are 12, 4 4s are 16, and remainder 1. So 4 4s are 16, remainder goes in here, remainder 1. So it's 4 1/4. Which in a case such as this, we can convert to a decimal really easily, because for those of you who know, 1/4 is the same as saying 0.25. So we stick the big number in front, 4.25. If you didn't know that, no worries. Just do, I mean, this answer's good enough. This answer's overkill. If you didn't know that it's 4.25, you could have done bus stop method it. So that was 6. No, it wasn't. It was 4, wasn't it? I said it was 4. 4, remainder 1. How many 4s in 10 is 2, remainder 2. So how many 4s in 20 is 5, 4.25, and there's your answer, goes in there. So that's that all done. I'll just zoom out for you, so hopefully I can fit this all on the page so you can take a good look at it. And in fact, what I'll do, so it's not confusing, I will label this a mixed number. There you go. That's it.